Magandang umaga, tanghali, hapon, gabi sa zodiac sign na Aquarius with the air elements. Lola Baby, nagpapakilala. Isa lang pong like, subscribes, and share. So, bibigyan ko kayo ng general reading sa mga natitirang araw-linggo ng buwan ng April. Okay? So, tingnan po natin ang tinatawag na energy surrounding you. Okay? Yan. So, sandali lang ha. For Aquarius. Okay? So, naririto ang tinatawag na the reverse side of the hangman. Okay? So, ang nakikita ko dito, yung tinatawag na autocracy. Okay? Yan. Kasi ko ito is naka-upright, di ba? It's about tinatawag na limitation, di ba? It's more about thinking, di ba? Self, tinatawag na self-study, okay? Praying. Pero meron dito tinatawag na autocracy, okay? You are dealing with the person, with the tinatawag, it's like I don't know if he is abusing his position, okay? Yan di ba? May edad na. Yan ha. Kumbaga dito yung tinatawag na ang batas niya, di ba? Yan ha. Okay? Kung sino man yan, okay? It's like yung tinatawag, you cannot move because you are dealing with this person, di ba? Yan. So, your next, sandali lang ha, dahil naka-reverse ang tinatawag na the Knight of Wands. So, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na, for some of you, maybe ito yung tinatawag na walang success, di ba? Walang success sa kanilang lakad. Okay? Kung ito is about love romance, 'di ba? Ibig sabihin nito, magkahiwalay. Yan ha, magkahiwalay. Maari sabihin na nating siya, single, or tinatawag hiwalay sa asawa, or yung tinatawag na biktima sila, okay, ng isang system, 'di ba? Yan ang nakikita ko. Kumbaga dito ay napakalabo para sila is magsama, 'di ba? So, it has something to do about tinatawag na networking, di ba? About their job, their money, di ba? Maring for some of you here, wala swerte. It's like wala silang swerte siguro. Maring yung kanila sweldo is tinatawag hindi tumaas. Ito yung tinatawag na nakakaranas ng inflation, di ba? Inflation, may inflation tayo. Kaya dito kagagawan nito, di ba? Kung sino ito, it's like hangal itong taong ito. So, narito ang tinatawag na ito the Fool, di ba? Pero naka-reverse, ito ang tinatawag upright. Ito ang tinatawag na reverse, di ba? So, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na it's like there is no surprise. Maybe this person is okay. If there is kasi ito yung naka-reverse. So, naghihintay pa siya. Di ba? It's like tinatawag, wala pang outcome. But, be ready for a change. Be ready for a change. Kasi okay? Be ready for a change. Yan ha. So, naririto ang tinatawag na the Queen of Swords. Okay? So, ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag na departure. Okay? Meron ditong departure. Meron ditong ending. It's time to say goodbye. Okay? So, ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag na the cycle is over. Okay? It's time for you to make change. Okay? Or tinatawag rebirth. Okay? There is a rebirth. Kasi ito na magkakaroon na ng tinatawag decision making, movement. Kaya siguro lumabas ito, di ba? Yan. So it's like tinatawag na unexpected turn. And there is an unexpected turn. Okay? Yan. Na hindi mo inaasahan. Okay? So ito, you are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy. The skies is blue. Ayan na, kita na. Wealth na ito, okay? So magkakaroon dito ng tinatawag birth, 'di ba? Sunshine, 'yan oh. Maaring sabihin na nating magdadalang kaluguran sa buhay mo mga anak mo. O kaya tinatawag magdadalang kaluguran sa iyong asawa mo. Magdadalang kaluguran sa iyo ang success, 'di ba? So there is tinatawag fertility. It's about fertility. Okay? So it's about tinatawag na, yan no, express yourself. Yan ha. Kasi nagtumbalilong. So it's about time na ito'y mag-upright. It's more about express yourself. Whatever is this, 'di ba? It's like tinatawag, nagkaroon dito ng pagbulusok, 'di ba? So nagpakita na ito, okay? So ito yung tinatawag na meron dito ha, ibig sabihin nito, don't suck yan. Kung kayo man ito, 'di ba? Ibig sabihin nito, kung ano man itong matatamo mo, 'di ba? It's like tinatawag ito ang magpapabago sa buhay mo. Ito talaga ang papabago sa buhay mo, okay? So ibig sabihin nito, don't forget your family. Don't forget your siblings, don't forget your mother, 'di ba? Yan. Don't forget, yan, maybe your friends, your colleagues, mga nakasama mo from the past, di ba yan? It's like tinatawag na maybe they are not yet ready, okay? Sa pagbabagong mangyayari sa buhay ninyo, okay? Yan, okay? Maybe your mother is afraid she will lose you forever, okay? So, ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag na don't sacrifice your family for your wealth, career, o kung ano man ito. Kasi meron ditong tinatawag na departure. Ito, yan. Kasi nag-reverse, ha? Departure. Okay? There is an ending too. Yan, oh. Magkakaroon ng tinatawag ending, ha? Ito. Yan, ha? Ending. Yan. Ending. It's like tinatawag, sabihin na nating ending of a relationship. Diba? So narito ang tinatawag na the five of wands, okay? It's about your mind power, okay? Lead with your mind. Use your intelligence, okay? Yan. Use your intelligence. Yan ha. Ito yung tinatawag, think rationally. Lead with your mind, okay? La 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 la. It's time to say goodbye, okay? So meron dito ang happiness, 'di ba? Surprise, okay? Surprise. I'm not telling you to play the lotto or ano, but there is a chance, 'di ba? Ito magdadala sa iyo, 'di ba? Yan. Kung kaya dito nakikita, 'di ba? Ito yung tinatawag na there is a chance of winning dahil narito ang gamble, 'di ba? Yan. So whatever is this, 'di ba? Losses, 'di ba? Yan oh. 'Di ba? Dito, there is a chance of winning. A lot of money, jackpot. Ibig sabihin, jackpot. Yan ha. So yan lang nakikita ko for you. So the message of the universe, okay? Be ready for a change. Be ready for a surprise, okay? An unexpected, dito nakikita na. An unexpected turn can bring positive change, okay? Yan. Ayan, no? Kita ninyo, the sun. Kita nyo? The sun. You are the sunshine, my only sunshine. Yan, no? Kita ninyo. Yan, oh. Ito yung tinatawag na because the month of April is about focus, the shift, di ba? The change, di ba? Since Uranus is in Gemini, di ba? So, it's all about tinatawag na the month of reveal, okay? Revelation. Secrets reveal, di ba? Yan, no? A change in the wind. Yan, ha? Congratulations, Aquarius. I salute you.